Welcome back to Community Natural Foods. I'm Vanessa. Today we're going to be baking a gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free banana bread. So let's get started. We're going to start with 3 ripe bananas. We're going to mash those up in the bowl. You can use a potato masher if you choose. I like to use my whisk. So in with the bananas, we're going to add a cup of buckwheat, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, we're going to set this aside. In this bowl, we're going to mix together a 1/4 cup of MCT oil, half a teaspoon of salt, of a cup of maple syrup. You can use honey if you'd like. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix that together. And with this mixture, you're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. It's going to create somewhat of a chemical reaction when you start adding everything together, and that's what's going to lighten up the loaf for you. So once that's whisked together, we're going to add in the the banana mixture. I mix it in little piece by little piece, just so that it doesn't get too lumpy. All right, and that's pretty much your banana bread mixture. So once it's all mixed up, we're gonna pour it into our pan. You can either grease it with butter or the MCT oil and then flour it with some of the buckwheat flour if you like. So we're just gonna pour that in here. You're gonna level it off, and then you're gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. If you're baking it with a convection oven, it might take less time. So just make sure that you're watching it, and the toothpick should come out clean. Once it's all finished, this is what it looks like. It's nice and light and quite delicious. So I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Click subscribe to see more videos to come, and thank you, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks.